Error management orientation, or EMO, is the ability to display a positive attitude and to be able to cope in a constructive way when errors are made in an organization. But while self-efficacy was previously thought to be the most important attribute in developing EMO, another key attribute has also been found to be quite powerful. By conducting 3 studies at a Big 4 auditing firm, researchers found that the attribute of humility played an important role for adopting an EMO and manifested itself in several different ways. People with EMO believe that errors are inevitable and potentially negative, but can also turn into something positive like learning, innovation, and resilience. These people tend to have more proactive and constructive approaches toward errors and how to deal with them. As researchers studied these people, they found that many of them demonstrated a willingness to view themselves accurately and were keen to both seek feedback and make their personal limitations known. Another characteristic that was noted in people with higher EMO was that they displayed appreciation of others' strengths and contributions. These people tended to be other-enhancing rather than self-enhancing, attributing value to their coworkers frequently. People with high EMO were also found to be teachable, readily admitting when they didn't know something, and welcoming new insights and instruction as they needed it. Wonder what role humility plays in error management? If so, you may want to read this paper.